Everyone, I'm pro nature photographer Ian Plant, and I bet when you make wildlife photos, you're really excited. You're working with these beautiful subjects. But I have to ask you this, do you sometimes get back home and look at your photos and you're just really disappointed? Even though you were photographing a beautiful subject, your resulting photographs just aren't capturing the true essence of your wildlife subject? Well, that happens to me all the time. The reason why it does is because you get too excited about the wildlife subject. What you need to do is take a step back and think about ways you can get creative with light, with composition, with your camera settings, and other techniques to take your wildlife photos to the next level. So check out my class. It will change the way you think about wildlife photography, and it will force you to start getting more creative about your visual design and the creative use of exposure and light. And that will allow you to make compelling artistic wildlife photos that get noticed.